Hello, Amistadians. The following video you're about to see was recorded throughout today, like this day. We went to my church ministry C team. We went to the beach, and it was pretty tough. And this is the full video. This is a video that I made for y'all's. I was expecting it to be longer, but Tim Spranger, he's like the head honcho of this whole operation of like C team and such, childhood ministries. I'm pretty sure he's the big boss of that. Yeah, he ended up catching on to us, and it took my phone for a couple minutes. But even then, I didn't record much because him and the other leader, Krista, and then Tim's wife, Maddie, they were watching me like a hawk, bro. So I was cooked. But anyways, I hope y'all enjoy this vids, bro. What's up, Amistadians? We're on the bus right now. We are going to the beach, and yeah, we have our first guest of the day. That's Peter. He's my homeboy. But yeah, this is Delaney and Elena. No, I remember at the summer retreat, I would always keep forgetting your name. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah, let's go to the beach. Hey! Hey! Hey!
Now, according to Wisconsin law,
He's stop. Press. Okay, yeah, guys. So, if you couldn't tell already, we're at the beach now. Hey, thank you, twin. This car just stopped for us. Woo! Yo, that looks like one of my cars, but if it was gray or like silver. I'm a chud. Yo. I'm a fat little chud. Alright, chat, so we just got out of the bathroom, and Levi, Logan, and Jack were questioning what we were doing. We were Chud Max, because we're Chuds. Well, Peter is. I'm a Chad. I'm a Giga Chad. Hey! Nah, but Earl, like, why is Tim so zesty?
wait a second, we gotta see what my brother was up to. We gotta see if he's been like dumped on or something.
Oh yeah, his little bro's name is also Nathan. So that's pretty tough. But you know, I'm a bit tougher. I'm a bit tougher because I'm Slim Easy, man. By the way, we will have a story time on how I got the name of Slim Easy.
In the bathroom?
No! It's gonna come out in October. October 6th. The exact 1 year anniversary since I got the name.
Oh, what is
Alright, so now we're at lunch.
I had to eat a sandwich for lunch and almost died. Now I get Skittles in a bubbler. And she drank half of my bubbler. It's not her bubbler, I paid for didn't pay for my bubbler. I brought it.
I'm seeing
Nathan,
Snickers.
why are you vlogging anyway?
These are the biggest Cheetos I've ever seen.
Here's some chud.
Stop.
He's
You're
homeschooled.
homeschooled? I'm homeschooled. I'm homeschooled. You two are weird. Oh!
I think homeschool kids are weird.
Good luck. You think I'm weird, Nathan?
No.
Yeah.
Are we your exceptions?
Yes.
What do you mean by we?
Why'd you look at me like that?
Here.
That was weird.
I don't know.
Because you're not an exception.
That's what my brain was thinking.
Wait, this is still perfect.
I just bit my teeth.
Oh,
Ow. You didn't make your move today.
Maybe.
are you
You have
still
to-
taping?
We'll see, alright?
Yeah, I can pause it.
Oh, yeah.
It's so interesting. How come you never come to CT?
What did you think of the beach day?
It was fun.
I go there.
Yeah, it was so much aura.
And then
Totally. What?
Yeah.
right. You go to.
I just woke up. Yeah, that my blood sugar went low, so I low key had some candy. And now I'm pretty sure like some little girls are talking about some politics or whatever. I heard something about a governor. I don't know.
Oh, yeah, what was it?
But my fault, anyway. We're never letting that go. I thought you were asleep again. Okay, yeah, so bus just got here. Dude, I'm so tired. Oh, yeah.
His friend.
Alright, so, like, I'm gonna see y'all boys later.
I want to donate time.